You can compare home health agencies on Florida Health Finder. At the top, click the red Compare button, and then Home Health Agencies. Using the map of Florida, you can search by county or service area, by provider name, or certification status. There are 4 certification statuses: Medicaid certified, Medicare certified, Medicare and Medicaid certified, or neither. Let's select a search by county, and let's pick Broward County, and click the red View Results button. On the results page for the Home Health Agency Comparison Tool, we can see in the upper left that the results are taken from a rolling 7-year window. That means that whatever day you use this search tool, the results will be taken from yesterday back 7 years. In the first column, the providers are listed alphabetically by name. The second column shows the number of counties or service areas that apply to each provider. The third column shows the type of certification that this facility has: Medicare, Medicaid, both, or neither. In the third column, we can see the accreditation status, and there are several different types. There's Joint Commission, JC, and several more. You can scroll down to look at these and compare them. The next column shows the number of complaints during this time period, and then the number of sanctions and final orders. Next, you can see any fines during this time, and then the number of deficiencies. There's a column that shows the total number of deficiencies, and then those deficiencies are broken out by class type. Next, you can see the annual patient admissions if those are reported. Medicare quality of patient care. This is information that is taken from the Medicare website. Any special designations, whether or not they take pediatric patients, and the number of services offered. For more information about any of these providers, you can click the name of a provider to visit that provider's profile page. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the screen to export these results to Excel. If you have additional questions, there is a glossary and a methodology link near the bottom of the page.